We see graphic design as an important profession, and its most important objectives are set design and visual communication, generally produced by industrial lens, and designed to transmit messages to specific social groups. Graphic design enables us to communicate ideas and express values summarized in terms of form and communication and social, cultural, economic, and technological aesthetics. Also given the name of design in visual communication because visual messages are channeled right through many media, not just sign.
The purpose of graphic design is to improve communication and achieve the goal of conveying a message in the best way possible, using the elements and means that have emerged throughout history such as magazine, television, photography, illustration, banner and web page to do a good job. Programming, design and creative visual communication, generally produced by industrial means and intended to convey specific messages to specific social groups. This is the activity that enables rapidly communicate ideas, facts and values process and synthesis in terms of form and communication, social, cultural, economic, aesthetic and technological.
Fields of graphic design. The graphic design field composes four key areas whose boundaries are vastly overlapping the profession. The classification is based on the notion that each in the area requires preparation and some special talents or special advance on the complexity of the project. The areas are design information, include editorial design. These products are usually classified according to the size of information available on posters, flyers and leaflets, books, newspapers, magazines, catalogs, CD, DVD. Designs for persuasion. Communication design is intended to its public behavior, includes adverts and propaganda. Also falling into this classification includes corporate identity marks, ISO logo, stationery and tax bills, brand implementation and clothing artography. Design education includes training materials and instruction manuals, direction for use, education and flashcards. They also enter the poster of the industrial safety and snack workspace. Design management includes the design of forms, urban signing, tickets, stamps, notes, and in general, any part to be susceptible on counterfeiting. Geographic design. Types in serif or sans serif, gestural, gothic, script, and fantasy. Control design tools, digital clock screens, mobile phones, digital cameras, and other devices.
Throughout history, great adversity of artistic movements have been represented by leading designers, including Audrey B. Bursley, who stands out as draftsman and is called the Devil Disciple. Bursley was a great opponent of the ideas of William Morris and was characterized by his love of art, reflects the decadence of the late 19th century, influenced by Oriental art ornaments used. This style is also evident under design the dominance of space white, shown in the illustration of books like Salome by Oscar Wilde. Other prominent representatives were the notable English architect of the second half of the 17th century, Christopher Wren, and watercolorist and painter Walter Crane.